that 533.4 that's there is radius, but we want it to be diameter. So type in X 533.4 and then times, which is your shift. No, you don't hold down the shift key on here, you just press it because it toggles. Just cancel that, it is right, but all you do is press shift, yeah, then that, and then it toggles back, you know what I mean? Times 2, decimal point, yeah, and then all you do is you say shift, press your alt key, and that's double hit to that. Now when you press alt, it'll alter it. Now that's a good way of doing it because you're not doing any maths. You're letting the machine do it for you, okay?